Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, it's all a bit random. I don't even know what to name this video. I've got a lot of different things and I thought I'd come and eat them and just chill and have a talk with you guys. Tell you what I've got here. I've got this, it's like a pot noodle type thing. It's ramen noodles and obviously it's from China, but I bought it in Morrison's, and it's hot chicken flavored, and I kind of felt like I wanted to give it a try. And also, before I start mixing this up, I've got some bunty cookies. I've tried these before and they're so yummy, and I put it again. I'm in one of those kind of weird old moods. And I've got some pork scratchings. Oh my god. I'm not even gonna cut that bit out where I says pork scratchings. That's what I've. Anyway, but it says pork crackles. I'm sure you guys out there. I think I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's an English thing. But I've always liked them, so let me show you guys. Which also came from Morrison. I don't know if you guys got a good look at this. It's a new one, and I've also got some milk chocolate buttons. Bought it with the idea that the kids can have it on Angelo's actual birthday, but I'm having it. They've got other things. So basically this is some form of seasoning. This kind of looks similar to the ones I see everybody doing on videos, the ramen noodles, and the way the sauce comes with it and stuff. I'm not sure. I've never tried this before, I've tried pot noodles before, but I'll never try this actual one. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you guys are okay. I'm kind of like muddling along. It does look like it, and I thought I'd give it a try first, and if it is it, maybe I'll do that spicy noodle challenge again using this one, but maybe eating a bit more than one pot, but I'll see, because it's coming out like it, and you know, you guys out there know what it looks like. Correct me if I'm wrong. See, the whole red thing. Yeah. I've done it pot noodle style. I just boil the kettle and pour the water in, and you guys seeing the rest. Don't know how it's going to turn out. It looks a bit watered down. So I don't know if it was a big fat lie that I can just pour it in like this. So I was meant to cook it. Don't know if it's all gone wrong. I don't know, people. I'll let you know when I'm eating, but by the looks of it, I could have done it wrong. Maybe I needed to boil the noodles first, even though the noodles do look cooked. There's been a whole lot of behind the scenes things, and I don't even know what I'm saying. There's been a whole lot of behind the scenes things, like I'm telling you guys. I'm got energy, people, like, to go over it. All I can say is you live and you learn, and you keep learning. Just gonna give it a quick taste. Oh my god, it's spicy. I think it is it. So I might buy other ones and just boil it and then put the sauce on, because the liquid is just, maybe I was meant to pour the water on. I've cocked it up, guys. I've cocked it up. Maybe I was meant to pour the water on and cook the noodles just like this, and then pour the water off. leaving maybe a tiny amount and then pop the sauce on. When you don't know and you don't like to read, you're gonna come up against these struggles. For the British one, for you guys out there that knows, all you do is pour the noodles on. The water on, and add the sachet and stir it up, and Bob's your uncle. But obviously this one, let's see. Oh God, my eyes is just not the same anymore. I can't see any directions. Oh, here we go. Cooking directions. Ooh, cooking directions. Ooh. I mean, I'm gonna need glasses. From the other day, I'm realizing that my eyes. I can't read it. It's too fine. Fine the print, and my eyes ain't that great. But I know I'm seeing something to do with is it open? Yeah, open the lid. Yeah, I can read it better when it's down halfway, and take out the sauce and sachet. Yes, which I did. Pour boiling water on up to in a line. Then what? Covering the lid for 4 minutes. Drained all water. This is where I went wrong, people. This is where I went wrong. I'll buy it again. Yep, I was meant to drain all the water and then put the sauce, stir, and then eat. You guys clearly saw where I went wrong. That's where I went wrong. But am I not gonna put this video up? Hell, you guys will see it. I don't think I'd even let my kids do this challenge because it is spicy. But bear in mind, and I've diluted it down, so can you imagine? But I'll definitely buy it again and do by itself. I don't think, I was saying 2 packs, guys. I don't think I could do 2 packs. I've coughed it up, but it still tastes alright. Probably a lot more flavour. I was kind of hungry. But this is a perfect example when you don't like reading the instructions. Whew. When I say hot, guys, hot. But it'd be a lot more enjoyable if I'd done it the correct way. But me diluting it take away some of the heat, a lot of it. So can you imagine? How hot it would have been. all in all, it's probably for the best because this is dangerous. Whew. But I will do it again. And I'm in like a really daredevil mood. That's it. Can't really give this a high mark because I've cocked it up, guys. You see. I've cocked it up. Pardon? Whew. Done something because I'm burping. So this is what a pork scratching look like, or a pork crackle, whatever. Mr. Porky, the nation favourite, Crackles, triple cooked and seasoned pork. I don't like a bit of pork. This is good. That's really good, but I can't have enough. I can't have too much, shall I say. Because I'm on one of them random thing again. But too much of this, it's going to cancel out my cookies and stuff. So I'll stop now, really. I didn't even bring water. My lips are on fire. Can you imagine if I didn't do it wrongly? So you can imagine. Thumbs up this video if you want me to do the actual challenge. And I know the difference. Whether it's a good amount of thumbs up or not. Yeah. That's what these look like, guys. And like I said, I've tried them before. They're absolutely yummy. Whew. I'm gonna have to put it on my face. It's soft, it's not hard, it's really soft. And it smells divine. It's like, obviously, you know, Bunty chocolate cookies, because the coconut is in there, just right up my street. Right up my street. And it hasn't disappointed from the last time I tried it. You know, sometimes you try something and next time you're just like, yeah, whatever. I think this is my third time having it. It's really good. Really nice. My son's second birthday is coming up. It's actually tomorrow. But we went out somewhere. Today's what? Tuesday. Yeah. We went somewhere on Saturday for it. Saturday just gone. Went to Peppa Pig World, so look out for that vlog. I've done my best to try and vlog it as much as I could. But it was a lovely day. So That should be up after this video. You know, sometimes like when people are not in your situation, they don't know what you've been through. They see you, it's like something nice, and they want it, and they don't know what you have to do to have that. Same old story. Oh, the button. I remember when I was pregnant with Angela. Oh my God. First of all, people, I didn't even know for eons. Yeah, I said it, I've mentioned in a few big videos before, briefly. So my boy used to go around and say, "Mine's 41 and pregnant, 41 and pregnant." I mean, I know people are pregnant way older than that. Bless him, he don't know that. I thought I was all packed up and done with kids. Seeing as I had to struggle with growing them by myself, which some people like to remind me about. But yeah, I didn't expect this last one at all. There's going to be 2 tomorrow. But yeah. Yeah, mind my own business, and didn't know pregnancy could come out of it. Pregnant. It was rough, people. It was rough. When I tell you rough, you have to make us some sturdiness to go through what I went through. Mental, physically. One and two of my neighbours can vouch for that. One and two of my family members. When I tell you, I didn't even know I was going to pen out. Because where was from London, they told me, "Girl, you had 3 cesarean, can't get any more." Wanted to tie me off as well. I tell you, when you don't know, you don't know. In Basingstoke, I come and find out that people having 6, probably more cesareans. But for little old me, before I'm thinking it was too much money. So they can bullshit me. Because I actually believe them. When you actually take people for what they say out their mouth, oh my God, guys, if I can't tell you one thing, I can tell you this. Be careful what you swallow that people spit out of their dirty gum. I am telling you, people. Because people's mouths just make for talk. These days, there's very little loyalty and very little take your word for it these days. Very little amount. I find it hard to take. I'm sad. Well, guys, I am learning. Be careful to what you listen to. Just get confirmation, cross-reference, all of these things, because people can spit out their bullshit and slap you in your face with it and expect you to swallow it. If you're one of them people that take people for everything they say, darling, it could mess you up. So, I hope you come across this video. And some may say, one is naive. I thought when people in authority tells you things, you could go by it. And I like to think the normal people would tell the truth. Bullshit too. Woo, woo, woo. I'm telling you, guys, the world's full of bullshitters. And if I'm looking at people when they're telling me things that I've got 2 heads, oh, you see my eyes glaze over. It's whether to believe you or not. I'll tell you now. It's because of what I've been through. I don't say people don't lie. But all I know, the things they lie about, you wouldn't expect people to lie about those things. I know what lies people should tell. But I know I try to stay very close to the truth. To the point where I don't really tell lies. I must have outgrown it. I don't know. And people telling me lies wasn't a problem before. Maybe because I probably used to tell one and two white lies, I don't know. But now, I just sick my stomach. I always look at people that have got more in one head, especially if I figure out they're lying. I'm just like... So yes, bottom line is what I'm telling you guys, I've got to trust this shit. And so then you find people that tell you things, and then they try to twist it, and I'm just like, stick to the one line, don't go round and round the roundabout with me, take how many bends, and twist me up and come back. And when they've lost me, I'll just stay at the right where I started. I'll just stop right there. Especially when I know it's one of them round the roundabouts, how many times, and up the road and down, and how many S's. I just stand there, right at my starting point, and relay the question again. Very difficult work though. Very difficult work. Especially when they're carrying you up the roundabout, round and round, up the bend, and you can't even follow. Right now. Just have to try and survive, guys. Try and enjoy yourself. And get sucked in by the bullshitters. Life can become very sad. By the way, today I found someone's purse in Sainsbury's. Actually, it wasn't in Sainsbury's, it was in Sainsbury's car park. Am I saying Sainsbury's? Did I put Sainsbury's? What am I on about? We're going Sainsbury's, guys. There you go. Your brain. Don't know why I'm saying. I hope I haven't been saying I get all these things from Sainsbury's, you know. But I've got a feeling I might have been. Like I said, people, it's been a long whole week, and it's been a long month, and it's been a long year. So I'm sitting here talking to Lally. I hope I said Morrison's, because that's where I find the people them burst. I had to hand it in. Do my goodwill for the day. So I remember when I lost my purse and somebody had to, like, it was so drawn out, like the whole night without it. And found my address and come and dropped it off from my house. But I handed everything to Morrison, put it on Facebook to say I found it. So that was my good feeling. It's so nice not having to go back and say you're going to ring up for them to send you a new driving license and all of that. But I hate those sort of things. I hate unnecessary stuff. So it's Morrison's, guys. I don't know where Sainsbury's. I used to shop in Sainsbury's. I shop in Morrison a little bit more now. Sainsbury's once in a while. But, you know. Anyway, guys. I just felt like coming to eat. Talk about. Pick sense out of nonsense, guys. Pick sense out of nonsense. Anyway, like I always say, look after you. If you can't look after you, you can't look after anyone else. Go ahead. Like. Share, and subscribe. Like. Share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video. This is yummy. Lots of piece of random. And I've learned it so much time, guys. When you don't read and you get cocked up, it's not good. It's like they always say, some people see the name on Bulla. The Jamaicans, not they. Jamaican, let's see who can understand this. Ha! Jamaican people always say, if you see a name on Bulla and you're dunce. For those who are there, know what me a chat say. Anyway, go. But yeah, I come across this several times. Don't be too lazy to read. Lazy. That is fall down to laziness. And a lot of us suffer from that. That's why people act as if they got more sense than you. But they can't read. Me no fool. So one thinking, make them thinking. Send me fool. I'll leave you guys with that. Bye now. Bye guys.